subjects in a cohesive kind of way. It's cohesive juxtaposition. That's why I find surrealism to be a whole different fascinating phenomenon in art, because it's a lot of juxtaposition. You see that juxtaposition pervasive in comedy with Mitch Hedberg. I like to throw out Mitch Hedberg, the surrealistic comedian. He said he threw a toothpick in the forest and said, "You home." That's surrealistic absurdity, absurd surrealism. So it's absurd surrealism now. Absurd surrealism is where the surrealism is absurd. There's an absurdity to the surrealism. Like, let's say I have an ice cream hammer. I saw an surrealistic art where this person juxtaposed a hammer on an ice cream and you call it an ice cream hammer. So that is surrealistic. That's absurd surrealism. So surrealism is a fascinating phenomenon in art. You have the three-dimensional aspect of art, you have the surrealistic aspect of art, and then you have colors, and then you have shades, So, and there's a lot of